Hey, it's Todd Ault and welcome back to Wall Street Words. Today's word is Securities and Exchange Commission. Formed by the federal government in 1934, it's an important agency that oversees capital formation of U.S. markets, protects investors, which is an important feature of what they do, regulates capital markets. One thing you should know is the SEC never approves a transaction. What they do is they sign off on the disclosures. The SEC oversees disclosures of important things like M&A, mergers and acquisitions, transactions with public companies, IPOs, etc., and tries to prevent investor fraud. Securities and Exchange Commission, an important agency, the most important agency when it comes to capital markets. Hey, one little thing to note about the Securities and Exchange Commission, the first head of the Securities and Exchange Commission in 1934 was Joseph Kennedy. He was a stock trader, he was an investor. Some say he did a lot of stock transactions in his day. He also had a son that became President of the United States, John F. Kennedy. Hey, thanks for watching Wall Street Words. New words and terms delivered every single day. Please subscribe, push the bell. If you found this information helpful or you think someone could benefit from this information, please share this video. Thanks for watching our channel. Always good things happening here.